How to find templates for CapCut. So make sure that you have CapCut installed in your device. Now go to your web browser and search CapCut templates. Click on the first result here, and when you open it, you can see a lot of templates you can use to edit cool videos for TikTok and Instagram Reels. So scroll through these options, click on a template that you like, and then tap on Open. This will open the template on CapCut, and then click Use Template right here. And from here, you can edit, export, and share it on social media. But it doesn't end there. Let's go into the second method on how to find CapCut templates. Go ahead and open your TikTok application. Search for CapCut templates. And if you want any theme, you can just add the word. For example, CapCut templates retro. And a lot of templates will appear on your screen. So just go ahead and choose the one that you like. Click on that video. Tap on CapCut, try this template, and CapCut will open. And from here, you can again edit videos that you like. So that is 2 ways on how to find templates for CapCut. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.